Oh, my bad, man.
That's not how you sneeze!
What?
When you sneeze, you have to sneeze into your elbow so you don't spread germs. You can't just sneeze into my face like that.
Oh, my bad, man. I'll do it next time.
What's up, man?
Good job! Everywhere.
I'm Henry Schaefer. This is part 1, and this is part 2, my friend. Here we go. I'm talking today with Peter, who says he knows how to sneeze. How do you sneeze?
Yeah, last night was crazy.
How do you sneeze, Pete?
Huh?
Sneeze. And you heard it here first. Back to you, Jenny. Here we go. When you're sneezing, when's the best place to do it? Back to you, Jim.
I'm Henry Schaefer, here with other reporter Bailey Top.
Yeah.
And Samuel Fonzie, sneeze expert. Hello. Hello. So, I have a couple of questions for you, Samuel.
Yep.
Covering mouth with hands encourages spread of what? Germs. Germs is the answer. How many people die each year of the flu?
How many?
25K. Yep, number. And facts are the facts. Back to you, John.
What am I looking at?
We're trying to film.
Wow. Wow. Even Uncle Sam wants us to sneeze safely.